Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make an effective weekly planner in Notion. If you're looking to organize your tasks and stay on top of your schedule, building a custom weekly planner in Notion is a game changer that gives you full control over how you track your time. First, open Notion and select your workspace from the sidebar. This is where all your pages and databases live, so make sure you're working in the right workspace if you have multiple ones set up. Once you're in, look at the bottom left of your screen and click New Page to create a fresh page for your planner. Now give your page a title by typing Weekly Planner at the top. This helps you quickly identify the page later when you're navigating through your workspace. If you want to personalize it a bit, you can click plus Add Cover at the top to add a cover photo, making your planner visually appealing and easier to spot. You can also click plus Add Icon to add an icon next to the title. Both of these are optional, but add a nice touch. Here's where the real structure comes in. Type /calendar in the page body and select Calendar View from the menu that appears. This adds a calendar database to your page, which will serve as the backbone of your weekly planner. By default, this calendar shows a monthly view, but we want to switch that to a weekly layout. Click the toggle-like button at the top right of the calendar, then click Layout. In the options that appear, select Week under Show Calendar, as this switches your view to a weekly calendar, giving you a clear day-by-day breakdown of your schedule, exactly what you need for effective weekly planning. Now you can start adding tasks and events. Click the plus New button on any day in the calendar to create an entry. Each entry can be customized to fit your needs. Add properties like checkboxes for task completion and set start and end times so you know exactly when things are due or scheduled. These properties turn your planner from a simple calendar into a powerful productivity tool. To keep your weekly planner effective, make it a habit to regularly update it. Add new tasks as they come up, mark completed tasks with checkboxes, and adjust priorities as your week unfolds. This keeps everything organized and ensures you're always working on what matters most. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.